In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept returns on eBay at no cost. Managing returns efficiently is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and a smooth business operation. Whether you're new to selling on eBay or looking to streamline your return process, this guide will lead you through the steps of setting up a no-cost return policy, ensuring both you and your buyers have a hassle-free experience. First, you'll want to begin by signing into your eBay account. This is your gateway to managing all aspects of your sales and policies. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top left corner where you'll see your name or profile icon. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This will direct you to a page where you can control various components of your selling preferences. Next, you'll find the section labeled Selling. Underneath this, there's an option called Business Policies. Click on this and you'll be able to see and manage your current policies or create new ones. This is where we'll set up the specifics for returns. Now, look for the button that says Create Policy. Click on it and when prompted, choose the Return option. This allows you to craft a tailored return policy that aligns with your business needs. As you proceed, it's important to give your policy a distinctive name and a brief description. This will help you identify it easily, especially if you manage multiple policies. Scrolling down, you'll find sections for domestic returns and international returns. Here, you need to decide which applies to your sales. If you ship both locally and internationally, make sure to configure both sections accordingly. Once you're in these sections, toggle to turn on the Accept Returns option. This setting is crucial as it indicates to your buyers that you are ready to handle returns, enhancing their trust and customer service satisfaction. A critical step now is setting who will pay for the return shipping. Set the return shipping paid by option to buyer. This ensures that the shipping cost for returns does not come out of your pocket, effectively making returns cost-free for you. After these key configurations, take a moment to configure the rest of the policy settings to fit your preferences. You might want to adjust timeframes for returns, or specify any conditions that apply to returned items. Personalizing these elements to reflect your business's nature and policies will help ensure that returns are handled smoothly. Once everything is configured to your satisfaction, click the Save button to finalize your new return policy. With the policy created, you can now apply it to your new or existing listings. Doing so helps maintain consistency across your eBay store, ensuring every transaction aligns with your return guidelines. And that's it, you've successfully set up a no-cost return policy on eBay. With this structure in place, you not only protect your financial interests, but also foster a reliable and trusted shopping environment for your buyers. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.